What's up guys, thanks for tuning back in. We're out at Brightside Auto Salon in Austin, Texas, and behind me is a beautiful R35 GTR. Now this gloss black car is getting the full STEK treatment in our DYNOprism-matte, which is actually the first car to get this new finish. We've had Prism out for a while, it's been a fan favorite. It gives a really nice blue-purple color shift effect with a lot of metallic flake, but this is the first one to get it done with our matte version. Go ahead and take a look.